Today we are going to be digitizing an apple. First, we are going to place our underlay. These sets of lines underneath the design are going to prevent the design from scrunching it when the fill is laid. Now to place our fill. While we lay the outline for our fill stitches, we must keep in mind to make sure that after we lay it, we must enter the parameters menu to increase the density of the fill. Fill is now finished, so let's start on our first leaf. The leaf is pretty big, so let's set an underlay for this leaf. After then, we will follow up with our 3-point columns. Since this next leaf is smaller, we will just use our 3-point columns to form our next leaf. We will use our 3-point columns to make our stem. This will help the stem really pop out on our finished design. Let's check it out on our 3D viewer. Time to make some small corrections. Let's increase the size so our 3-point columns form correctly. Let's edit our design so our columns come out with straight lines for the best design. We will do the same for our stem. It is best to edit a finished design as you can adjust with the finished shapes of the design. Let's look at the design after all our changes. Came out perfect.